Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Ishan and you are watching my iPhone Sport YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to add a new member to a group messages in iOS 13. So let's get started. So guys, if you are ready to invite people to your group conversation, then follow this instruction on your iPhone. To add a person on the group text conversation, first go to Message app on your iOS device. Then select the group text message to which you want to add someone. Next, tap the I symbol at the top right corner of the window. In the next page, tap the Add Content button. Enter the phone number or contact name of the person you want to add. Finally, hit the Done button. That's it. So guys, I hope you all know how to add a new member to a group message on iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch in iOS 13. If add content button is missing from your iPhone, then reset all settings on your iPhone. To reset all settings, first off go to Setting app on your iPhone. In the setting page, swipe down to see General and then tap General option. In the next page, completely swipe down to see Reset and tap Reset option. Now tap on Reset all settings at the top of the page and then tap Reset all settings again to confirm your action. That's it. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new latest updates. Thanks for watching.